Decades to grow. Minutes to saw. Nothing to waste. This is English Introduction to the Northern Lights Sawmill Planner. An efficient tool for your home or small sawmill. Measure the log diameter, at 2 defined spots, so the app can discover the tapered log shape. See every plank before you start cutting. Every cut height is calculated for you. The planner can also tell you when trimming the top ends gives a better yield. Just as simple as that. No more time-consuming process of aligning the tapered log and guessing your cuts. Home or small sawmilling have never been easier and more exact than this. Now let's take a step back and look at the steps that get you up and running with your sawmill in just a few steps. The web app runs on most devices by accessing the URL with a browser. Request a test license or buy a 1-year license by emailing the address in the app start page. Paste the key into the text box and hit unlock. Now we can start sawing in an easy and efficient way. Since each sawmill can be different, it is 2 important measures to make to set up the sawmill. One is the distance between the diameter measurement spot and the thickness of the chain or blade. Let me show you how to measure the distance between diameter measurements points on this sawmill. It should be centered along the log and span at least 2.5 meters. Measuring at the ends could lead to bad values if the log is not round at the root end, for example. The settings is in the metric system, centimeter for distance and millimeter for kerf thickness. When we have measured the distance between diameter measurements positions on the bench and we know the chain or blade thickness, we type in that in the mill settings. Now we are ready to saw the first log. Now we roll the log onto the bench and measure the diameter at the predefined positions that we identified. A good place are log supports. Measure root and top diameters in centimeter values. Decimals are okay. Now we type the diameters into the tool along with a measured or estimated length. Now the tool can lay out all the planks possible based on your sawing strategy and your defined plank dimensions priority list. All illustrated in the end view of the top side. The tool can also recommend to shorten the tapered log for better yield in a box below the length field. Now it's time to start making the cuts and rotate the log. The cut height is defined for each cut and the app illustrates each rotation. While the log have a tapered shape, the root have to be dropped or top side have to be lifted. Now let's process the log in sequence. When the cutting is done, you can get edging assistance as well. The log is complete, just as easy as that. Fast, accurate and with minimal effort. Thank you for watching. Improve your own home sawmilling with this app today. No time to waste, no good logs to waste.